Could the next iPhone really be this slim? That's what people are asking after a new leak revealed what might be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. It's being called the iPhone 17 Air, even though it hasn't been officially confirmed. A detailed dummy unit has already caused a lot of buzz. The model was shown in a new video by Sam Cole on the Apple Track YouTube channel, where he showed off the expected design of the upcoming iPhone 17 series. And the one model that stood out the most, the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air. This dummy isn't just a rough shape or cheap prototype. It actually looks pretty refined. It has realistic camera placements, a polished surface, and seems much closer to a final product than many early mock-ups we've seen in the past. These dummy units cover all expected models, including the base iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, the Pro Max, and of course the much talked about Air version. Looking at the standard iPhone 17 model, it's clear that Apple isn't planning any huge changes there. It keeps the same flat design and overall shape as the iPhone 16. So for anyone who prefers a familiar and stable option, this might be the one they stick with. But things get more interesting with the Pro and Pro Max versions. According to the dummy, Apple might be changing the rear camera layout to a horizontal bar instead of the usual square island. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's similar to what we've seen on Google's Pixel phones. Still, this design has Apple's clean style, which makes it look more polished and premium than you might expect. But the main focus right now is clearly the iPhone 17 Air. This phone is noticeably thinner than anything Apple has done before. Based on the dummy model, it looks like the Air could be just around 5.6 millimeters at its thinnest point. That's incredibly slim, especially compared to the Pro models, which are nearly double that thickness. It's bringing back memories of the super thin smartphones that were once very popular years ago. But as exciting as that sounds, it also brings up some serious questions. The first concern is about the battery. A thinner phone usually means a smaller battery. Early leaks hinted that the iPhone 17 Air could have a battery size that might not meet user expectations, especially in a world where devices run more AI-powered features directly on the phone. But newer reports suggest Apple might have figured out a way to maintain battery life despite the slim size. While the details haven't been confirmed, Apple knows how important battery life is to users, so it's unlikely they'll release something that feels like a step back. Another issue is how strong the phone will be. In the hands-on video, there were signs that the dummy unit has slight bend. It's possible this was just due to the materials used in the model, but it still raises a valid concern. A phone that's this thin might be more at risk of bending or breaking. Apple usually focuses a lot on durability, so they're probably already working on ways to make the Air both slim and strong. There's also growing competition from Samsung. Their upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be another ultra-thin flagship device with a similar focus on design. Samsung has even teased its new phone already, and it's expected to launch around the same time as Apple's new lineup. That means both brands are getting serious about slim designs this year, and it will be interesting to see how they compare once both phones are officially released. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest Apple news and leaks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you updated with everything you need to know.